Good morning. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing good. So today topic is Git, version control system. So Git is a popular version control system. So that helps developers track and manage changes in their code. Git is a free and open source and it is fast and high scalable. It making suitable for projects any size like small and large projects. Any size of the project it is suitable. For example, what is Git? Simply, I will tell some example. Imagine you are working on a some project, any project, e-commerce project, any game project, everything, software project within a team. You are working on a project within a team. So Git allows everyone to work on the same code base without overwriting each other work. You can create branches to test new features. And if something goes wrong, this Git makes easy to roll back to a previous version. So it's like having a time machine for your code. Now we will see the real life example in Git, then only you will understand more. So this is the project. Book is our project, 200 pages. This is you and your friends. This is a chapters, okay? Imagine you and your friends or your teams writing the book together. This is whole team. So you are working, seven people are there. This is a team. You and your colleagues or you and your teams working, writing a book together, working a project book together. So each person is working on different chapters. Like you working on chapter one. This guy working on chapter two. Like seven chapters are there. Now we'll see the example without Git. What happened? Without Git, two people edit the same chapters like you and this guy working on chapter 1. You are working chapter 1 but this guy working normally chapter 2 but this guy also working in chapter 1. What happened? It might be their changes, it might be override each other, it causing confusion on lost work, time waste, right? So with using it, what happened, we will see. With using it, each person can work on their own copy of the book, right? So this person is working chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter everyone will write correctly different chapters. Once everyone is done, Git helps combines all the changes without losing anything. For example, this seventh guy, this last guy, makes a mistake. For example, deleting a file, deleting a chapter. What happened? This Git can easily go back to the previous version where everything was fine. So this Git helps again back to that file, right? So that's why Git makes teamwork smooth, organized, stress free. It's just like managing the code in a software project. It's just like managing all the files, right? So Git is our local mission is there. So next we will see the GitHub.